Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to highlight cells based on a check mark in Google Sheets. When you are working with a task list with check marks, do you ever wonder if there is a way to highlight a completed task? Google helps with this by using custom conditional formatting. This allows you to highlight a cell when you put a check in a checkbox. Let's look at how to highlight cells based on a check mark in Google Sheets. Open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one with tasks and checkboxes. For this demonstration, I will be using an existing spreadsheet. Select the cells you want to highlight. Select the Format tab in the ribbon and select Conditional Formatting. If there is a rule in the Conditional Format Rules Properties box, delete it and select Add Another Rule. Make sure the Single Color tab is selected. In the Format Cells drop-down, select Is Equal To. In the Value or Formula text box, type True. In the formatting style, change the color of the highlight if you choose. Select Done at the bottom of the Properties box. To test to see if the conditional formatting worked, put a check in one of the checkboxes. To add conditional formatting to highlight unchecked cells, use the same process, changing True to False, and change the color of the highlight to red. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.